We are hiking Mount Lukens today. This will be my 6th mountain in the 10 mountain goal. Let's see if we actually make it, because so far it's been really tough.
Yeah, it's pretty toasty out here. And we brought a lot of ice packs for the cat in case she starts to get too hot.
Yeah. Let's see if she's okay. Gosh.
I love that.
That's crazy. What kind of fruit is this? Leave it in the comments. So it's really hot and I'm going kind of slow because I think this is the most elevation gain I've ever done or attempt to do. Putting Ormoo in the front. We've got some ice packs behind her and underneath her, so she has a cool environment. I wish I started training earlier in life, like Boy Scouts or something.
Yeah, me too. You're not alone. I am very, very exhausted.
Oh, lizard! Hi. I'm out of water again. Okay, let's get going. No. That looks cool. Doesn't it look like a pizza table for like a giant pizza? Do you know what I'm talking about? Like the table you get in your pizza box? That is... Can you see LA right there? That's downtown LA. This is amazing. Alright, so here's our antenna. I have this post right here, and it's just like an extendable post. You can collapse it, and you can put it in your backpack. And we're running an N6 ARK N-fed halfway.
K6 ARK?
K6 ARK N-fed halfway. And what that means is that this wire right here is half the length of the number of meters that you're going to be using. So we're trying to use 40 meters. So we're using 20 meters of wire, I think. And the in-fed just means on the end, it just means it's fed into your radio wire. So that's called in-fed. So whenever someone says, I'm using an in-fed half wave, this is what they mean. Is that interesting? NT6E Z T K N6Z J N6JZT. I did not get that. Oh yay, S2S. Oh, W6LR. Oh my god, what's... Hey, sick SDR. AR6A? Oh, NK6A. Is it R6CJ? I'm having so much trouble. W6CJ? Okay. Oh, this is Devin. The da did it. I can already tell. What is it? Something PHC. I'll just ask. Oh wait. I think there's something in the paddle.
I actually had that problem before.
Yeah, that's
Cat hairs get into paddles and it causes all sorts of problems.
only you got time.
Something Papa Zulu. Wait, Papa Hotel Zulu. Something. What was it? I don't remember. Kilo November 6th? Okay. Oh, got it. Yay! Okay, 7 contacts! Maybe I can QST now?
QRT?
Okay, QRT.
Nice. Good job.
Yay!
Crushed them.
Yay! Did it! Another mountain.
This is where like the little like mountain glows now, right?
Right.
In the animation.
Boop! Mountain right here.
I got a couple of other places around the area.
There we go.
She's just surfing your arm.
Okay, so we're walking back down the mountain now. It was actually really good activation today. I got 7 contacts really quickly and I started to feel more comfortable. There's some new call signs that it was still tough to pick up, but I've started to recognize some of the call signs of our friends. It's getting easier for sure. But this peak is really tough because of the heat and the exposure. There's not a lot of shade. So if you want to try this hike, I would recommend bringing a lot of water. I probably went through 3 liters of water, and so bring like at least that much water, and sunscreen and sunglasses, which I forgot. Yeah, I think Ormoo was doing well today as well. She didn't walk as much because there's a lot of incline, like you're hiking uphill a lot, so she's just chilling. Still, it's really pretty today with all the flowers and the vegetation. The shrubs are really overgrown and it's pretty. Look at this this pea-shaped thing right here. It's like fuzzy. I think they're really nice. We saw lots of lizards and butterflies. So it's always good to be out here. And 4 more mountains to go till I get my goal this year at 10 mountains. So follow the channel by subscribing and you can see the next ones coming up. And if you want to try doing SOTA or just hiking up easier mountains to get started, I would recommend the other peaks that I did in the series. Those are much easier, but if you're worried about temperature, maybe going earlier in the year, in the spring, or just go really early in the morning and start your hike at like 5. That might be helpful as well.